Good morning, everyone. My name is Parv Tyagi and I am in class 4th E in the school St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today, I have made a programmed cart wheel. So, in this wheel, there is a sensor over here. There's three switches and one motherboard. So, the use of this is it is a part of a robot or a small cart. So let me show you how it uses. So the sensor detects an object and I just have to switch this on. And then this moves. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Akshay Sharma from class 8C from St. Joseph Academy. So today my project is AQI monitoring system. So as we know, we are living in Delhi. So it is very harmful to live in Delhi because AQI is increasing day by day. So for spreading awareness, I have made this project, AQI monitoring system, which can detect harmful gases in our environment, and it can be present anywhere and it can spread awareness. So let's test it. So as now I have sprayed perfume on this, so sensor will now smell the perfume. As you can see, AQI is increasing here. So it means that this perfume is made up of many chemicals which can harm our environment. So this perfume is depicting harmful chemicals released by factories and many other industrial areas. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kavyanjali.
I am Prateek.
And I am Yug. We are students of class 7th E, and today we are presenting you with our project, that is a fire alarm system which is designed specially to detect and control fire and to keep ourselves safe.
The flame sensors continuously check for the presence of fire. When fire is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the Arduino. Then Arduino activates the buzzer to alert people.
The relay turns on the water pump. The water pump sprays the water to control the fire. This should be located in hospitals, schools, classrooms, etc. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm Morris.
I am Anant from class 8th. Our school name is St. Joseph's Academy.
This is our project, Surprise Box.
This project is based on light detection and automation. It consists of LDR sensor, motor and buzzer.
The LDR senses the surrounding light level, and when it becomes dark, it automatically opens the gate by triggering the motor.
After that, the buzzer produces a sound. This tells us how automatic machines react to light conditions.
It is very useful in security and other lighting applications.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kushag Tyagi and he is my friend Meet Kumar. Today we are going to represent our project, that is height measuring device. This is used in various fields like hospitals, gyms, schools and many more places. This helps to give accurate height. Now my friend Meet Kumar will demonstrate its working and explain its components.
Now let me explain you its working. Here we have used an ultrasonic sensor. This sensor produces sound waves. The sound wave hits the person's head standing below it and bounce back, and the time taken by is recorded by the ultrasonic sensor. And here we have used an OLED display that displays the result. Here is an Arduino Uno which performs the calculation and tells each part that what it has to do. Inside there is a 8-volt battery and we have used jumper wires. The distance which is calculated from the head to the sensor is subtracted from the maximum distance which is from the ultrasonic sensor to the ground, and your height is shown here. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Imagine a world where lifeline medicines can reach to a patient even in the most remote village or a disaster zone. It is not a science fiction, it is a promise of quadrocopter drone in medical services. Good morning everyone, I'm Ishita and I'm Kushbu of class 8B. Today we have gathered here to represent our model, that is a quadrocopter drone, which can be used in many ways, such as medical care and more. To create this quadrocopter drone, first of all we created a plastic structure, then added a dash pilot flight controller. The flight controller is the brain of the drone and it functions all the parts that are present in the drone. Then we added a receiver. The controller transmits radio signal and the receiver catches them. Then we added 4 BDLC motors. The BLDC's motor are of 1000 kilowatt and it is used to maintain the stability of the drone. Then we added 4 ESCs of 30 ampere. The ESCs are used to maintain the speed of the drone. And the last but not least, we added 4 10-inch propellers. The quadcopter drone helps in reducing human risk in hazardous zones.
So quadcopters drone are not just machine, but they are the lifelines of humans.
In conclusion, I would like to say that the sky is no longer the limit.
It is the pathway to hope.
We hope that you liked the project,
And thank you and have a nice day ahead.